MCQs or questions, because in the NEET exam we know that sometimes diagram based MCQs are also asked. So you need to remember the organisms based on their diagram, and also most of the times labeling based questions are also asked. Alright, so let us start. So this is the first organism which you have to identify. So I will give you a few seconds to recognize the organism, and if you know the organism, then write down the correct answer in the comment section as you keep on seeing the organism on screen. Alright, so this is the first organism. So try to guess it or identify it, and I will reveal the answer in a few seconds. Alright, so I hope you have made your guess. So this is the first organism, which is a type of green algae, and it is Volvox. So if you've guessed Volvox, then congratulations, you know the correct answer. And there are two labelings given in the book. So this is a book-based diagram. So for Volvox, we know that Volvox is colonial and it's a green algae. And there are two labelings in the book. So first one is for this small colony, which is actually the daughter colony. And then the other labeling is for this big colony, which is the parent colony. Alright, so this is like a quick revision for you. So we are done with the first organism. Let us move on to the next organism. Okay, so this is the next organism. You have to make the guess and write down the correct answer in the comment section or in the live chat whenever you can see the space to write. I'm giving you a few seconds. Alright, so this organism is also an example of green algae, and its name is Chlamydomonas. So if you've guessed it correct, then full points for you. Now in the book, there's one labeling which is for this part of the organism. So can you identify this part of Chlamydomonas? What is it called? So this part is flagella. We know that flagella and cilia are meant for the motility of the organism. It makes the organism motile, helps in their movement. So Chlamydomonas is motile and it has flagella. Alright, now let us move on to the next organism, which is this one. So write down the comment answer if you have identified the organism in the comment section below. If you have not identified, I'm giving you a few seconds. If you have covered your syllabus for NEET or your class 11th or 12th syllabus, and you have read each and every chapter with all the details, diagrams and everything, so this will be like a piece of cake for you to guess, right? Okay, so this organism is also an example of green algae with Chara. C-H-A-R-A, Chara. And in the book, we'll see labelings for this part, for this part. So can you find the labelings? What is A and what is B? Write down in the comment section or in the chat box. Okay, so the first part, the first labeling A, these are branches. And the second labeling B, that is axis. Alright, so these were the three organisms and their labelings which might come in the exam, and this was like a quick revision for you. So I will create more videos like this in the future, so stay tuned, and please like, share and subscribe. That's all for this session.